Hello guys, welcome back to the Ethernaut challenge. So in this challenge, what we are asked to do is to claim ownership of the contract to complete this level. So we have to use the Rubixi IDE. So first things first, we have to create a new instance. Because it has a Fal1out and it has a constructor Fal1out also. This was in 0.5 when constructor were created this way. The constructor has to be the same name with your contract. I have to claim ownership. The owner was never declared anywhere except in the constructor, and we can't call the constructor method except that this smart contract has an error. I'll give you 5 seconds to find this. Okay, so the error in this smart contract is that the contract name is Fal1out while the constructor is Fal. There's a 1 here. This makes this a normal function and not a constructor anymore. So if we trigger this function, we can gain ownership of this contract. So what we have to do is just to trigger the function, and we can trigger the function using the contract dot fal. Yeah, this is the function, and we need to pass the value. So we use send transaction, and from should be a player, and the value should be, so we can give the 0, or let's just give it 0.1, and we can close this. So if we call this function right now, okay, instead of sending 0.1, let's send, okay, let's send this. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, it seems like the value I was passing was too small, and you could not convert it to an integer. You should call this function and we should claim ownership. So before that, let's just check our ownership. Contracts. So the owner is an empty address. So once we try doing this, the owner should be us. So the transaction has been mined, completed. We should try this again. So the owner is our address right now. So we've completed this level, right? We've claimed ownership. Yeah, we've claimed ownership of the contract. It needed us to use the Rubixi IDE for some reasons, which I don't know why. So we can submit this instance right now, and we can just submit this instance. Yeah, as you can see, we've completed this level also. So so this is the story of Rubixi, a very well-known case in the Ethereum ecosystem. The company changed their name from DynamicPyramid to Rubixi, but somehow they forgot to change the name of the constructor. So as they changed the name of the contract, they forgot to change the name of the constructor. The constructor became a normal method instead of it being a constructor. This is one of the reasons why Solidity brought in the constructor keyword for declaring constructors, because that way it's more secure. You can't make a mistake there. This allowed the attacker to call the old constructor and claim ownership of the contract and steal some funds. So we've completed this level, and we can go to the next level right now. So in the next level, we'll talk about coin flip. I don't know the details of that, and I'll see you in the next video.